In this exercise 3.5, let's discuss how to draw its orthographic view. Now here, to complete the exercise, first we are going to draw this circle, right? After draw this another circle, and from this point we are going to draw vertical downward line of 34 millimeter, and from this point we are going to draw a line by dimension of 106 minus 12, which is 94, right? Then we'll draw the line by 36 millimeter, then 12, then 24, and then this part, that is which is 106 minus 24, right? So whatever the dimensions come out, we'll calculate during the drawing views. Then this part, and drawing over here, and join the circle part over here. So provide fillet over here. Then draw this rib, okay? Then we are going to draw the hidden views of these two circles in a front view. So this is your solution. So this is front view, this is top view, and this is left hand side view. So let's switch over to AutoCAD to complete this exercise. Now let's draw the circle having diameter 20. Let's draw another circle having diameter 44. Now let's draw the vertical downward line from the left quadrant point by the dimension given 34. Then let's draw the leftward line. Now here, to calculate the dimensions, you can invoke Ctrl 8 by pressing Ctrl 8. Just 106 minus 12 dimensions, right? So this is 34. So enter. Sorry, it's not 34, it's 94. Now for the downward line, the dimension is 36. For the inward dimension, it is 12. And by subtracting this thickness of 12 from 36, we are come up with the 24. Now inside dimension is 106 minus 24. So it comes out to be, let's to calculate it by using calculators. Simply press Ctrl 8. So here 106 minus 24, so 82. So enter 82. Now here again simply drag this point, then again it is 12 millimeter, and simply go upward and click it to end this point. Now let's trim this part, this one and this one. Now let's try to draw the fillet. F4, R space for radius. Now here it is given 14. So choose this one and this one. Similarly, fillet again of 12 millimeter for this corner, right? Now save your drawings. Now let's draw the rib from here to this point. Now let's draw the hidden view of the hole in the front. So for that, let's draw the center line first. So it is situated at 12 millimeters. Now let's move this line little bit. Okay. Now let's draw the hidden line. So by looking at these dimensions, let's offset by 6 millimeter this part over here. Okay, then let's convert it to the hidden layer. Then let's mirror that part to make it symmetrical. Okay, now let's just copy this part from here to here. So this will help us to save our time in drawing the views. Now let's complete the circle part by drawing the horizontal line from here to here. So let's put it to a 0 layer, and let's trim unnecessary part. This one, this part, and this part. Okay. Now let's draw the top view. So from here, the depth is 82, width will be by tracking the front view and complete the box. Now let's draw the top view of a circular part, which is very easy. So here track it again from this point downward 82 millimeter. Again this point, from here it is 82 millimeter. Now let's draw the rib. Now rib is exactly at the middle, having width 12 millimeter. So from the middle point we are tracking upward by 6 millimeter, and this will be the shift right click perpendicular options. Okay. Now let us copy this line from here 12 millimeter downward. Okay. Now save your drawing. Now let's draw the top view of these holes. Now for that, what we can do, we can simply copy these features. Like, let's zoom in. Okay. Now right click and pick up this point. Now here, if you look at the figure carefully, even in top view, it is 12 millimeter from this top edge. So shift right click from this will be my reference point. Shift at the rate 0, minus 12. Okay. Now before that, let me draw the hidden line as well, which is this corner, right? So from this corner, I have to draw hidden line. Now let's mirror this part. This part I'm talking about. So from middle, so let's mirror it. So select this part and this part. Okay. So middle point will be shift right click midway between 2 points. So from here to here. Okay. Now let's try to draw the top view, side view. For this, select the 0 layer and extend here. It will be the 82 dimensions. Vertically it is this much. Then track back to this point and close the box. Now let's draw this line. Let's draw from this point to this, which is 82. Okay. Now let's draw the hidden line here. It will be again 82. Okay. Now let's draw the rib. So from middle it will be 6 and up to this point. So I will track it like this. Now I will copy this part from this base point on the right side by width dimension, which is 12. Now let's draw the hidden part of this to this, which is 82. Okay. Now also draw this part 82 again. Okay. Now let's draw the circles. Okay. So for that, go to the 0 layer and start the circle comma. Shift right click from this corner. It will be 12 by 12. Dimension is, the radius is 12 again. Its diameter is 12. Now let's draw the center line of this circle. So here again this to this, this to this. Now let's mirror this part. So middle point to middle point. The radius is given 12. So fillet command radius 12. And I will choose multiple options. So here to here, this line to this line. This is how, student, you can draw orthographic drawing using modifying command of AutoCAD.